Welcome to Sitar Workshop by Pandit Kushal Das at North Germany. Pandit Kushal Das is a leading master of both the sitar and surbahar, with a style that builds on Pandit Nikhil Banerjee's Mayhar repertoire. Pandit Kushal Das is the most senior sitarist at Sitar-Maestro Gharana. With a profound knowledge of musical understanding and raga improvisation, Panditji is now considered as one of the foremost torchbearers of the tradition of Indian classical instrumental music. With maturity as his forte, Panditji does have the predominant virtues of Indian heritage and music. Along with the concerts, Panditji also conducts various workshops throughout the world. His students from all over the world gather together once a year and attend the workshop, face-to-face classes, and attend the master classes. Not only sitar, but Panditji also gives the vocal classes and teaches the real Hindustani classical music, the musicality. The day-long talim and the rigorous practices end with the aromatic Indian food. They all sit and enjoy it together. The tedious day ends up with the fun, laughter, dance, and much more music.